Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a professional company profile in Canva. Now once you're actually logged in, you can come here, click on templates and just search for company profile. You'll see a lot of professional templates right here. All you need to do is choose any and just click on edit. You can see the number of pages. This one is 1 out of 8. This one is 1 out of 13. You can add your pages as well. Now, some of these are pro. As you can see, you'll need a pro license. You can select the ones that are not pro. You can use these for free. Look at this one right here. So I selected that and then click on customize this template because you can see the format is A4. Okay. So there we go. We are using this in A4. Of course, when you are saving it, you can change the size, but it's better if we maintain the aspect ratio. Now, all you need to do is come here, change the logo, the name, everything can be edited. So let's say right here, I can go ahead and change the name to Legend Logistics. There we go. You can change the photo. Anything here can be changed, as you can see. And once you're done, once you're happy with it, right, you can bring your own elements as well, by the way. Own shapes, can bring in images using uploads right here. So let's say we want to change this person. So just drag this here. Look at this. The image fits right there. And then once you're ready to go ahead and save this, come at the top right, click on share, click on download, and then let's save this as a PDF. If you want other file types, you can do that as well. But PDF is perfect. Click here on download and just give it a few seconds. All right, there we go. I'll open this up in a new page. And that's literally all you have to do. There you go. The name of my photo would be there as well, so you can see. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.